In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a bill in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a payment against an existing bill, so your accounts payable and bank balances stay accurate and tidy. Start on your Xero dashboard and open purchases. This is where your supplier bills live. Going here keeps you focused on what you owe and lets you manage payments from one place rather than hunting through different areas. Next, head into bills. This view groups all of your supplier invoices. You'll typically see bills in a few different statuses like draft, awaiting approval, awaiting payment, or paid. We're interested in the ones that are ready to be paid. Switch to the awaiting payment tab. This filter shows bills that have been approved and are currently due or coming due. It's a clean way to see what needs attention without clutter from drafts or already settled items. Now, select the bill you want to pay. Open it and take a moment to confirm the supplier, due date, total amount, and currency if applicable. It's always worth double checking that coding and tax are correct before you record a payment, because fixing mistakes after the fact can be more time consuming. Click Record a Payment. This tells Xero you're entering the details of a payment you've already made or are about to make, so the bill can be marked off accordingly. It's perfect for manual payments or for getting your books ready for bank reconciliation. Enter the date paid. Use the actual date the money left your bank account. Accurate dates keep your cash flow reporting and reconciliation clean, especially if you're matching this later to a bank feed transaction. Select the account the money came from. Choose the correct bank account, credit card, or cash account in Xero that funded the payment. Picking the right account ensures the transaction appears in the correct place when you reconcile. Enter the amount paid. You can pay the full amount or a partial amount. If you enter a partial payment, Xero will leave the remaining balance outstanding, which is handy for staged payments or when you're settling just part of the bill. Add a reference. Use something meaningful like a check number, transfer ID, or a short note. Consistent references make it much easier to search later and to match your bank feed lines during reconciliation. Finally, click Record Payment. The bill will update to paid or partially paid, and the transaction will appear against the account you selected, ready to reconcile. That's it. Your payment is now captured in Xero. If you ever spot a mistake, you can edit or remove the payment from the bill and re-enter it correctly. And as a best practice, keep any supporting documents attached to the bill so your audit trail is complete.